Hello YouTube family, welcome back, and let's provide a solution given this nice exponential equation, which is 4 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to 20. So what is the value of x? Solution. Now from here, we have 4 raised to power x minus 2. This is equal to 20, okay? So 4 raised to power x minus 2, this is in the form of a raised to power n minus m. This we can express as a raised to power n divided by a raised to power m. Okay, so let's proceed from there. So we'll have 4 raised to power x divided by 4 squared. This is equal to 20. Okay, now from here we can multiply both signs by 4 raised to power 2 by 4 raised to power 2. Now we're going to have 4 raised to power x. This is equal to 20 multiplied by 4 raised to power 2. Okay. Now, so for the value of x, we introduced a natural logarithm so that we're going to have log 4 raised to power x. This is equal to log 20 multiplied by 4 raised to power 2. Okay. Now, from what we have here, we have that 20 can be expressed as 5 times 4, okay? So in other ones, we can have log 4 raised to power x. This is equal to log 5 multiplying by 4, okay? Multiplying by 4 squared. Yeah. So from here, if you check here, we have log 5 times 4 squared. This is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which can be expressed as log a plus log b. Okay, so let's apply this property. We are going to have log 4 raised to power x. This is equal to log 5 plus log 4 plus log 4 raised to power 2. Okay, I hope you're following. Now from here again, now log 4 raised to power x, this is in the form of log m raised to power n. This can be expressed as n log m. Okay, so let's apply this identity and we manipulate this equation as follows. Now applying this identity, we are saying that log 4 raised to power x is in the form of log m raised to power n, which can be expressed as n log m. Okay, so let's apply this property. We are going to have x log 4. This is equal to log 5 plus log 4 plus log 4 raised to power 2. Okay, now from here we can divide both signs by log 4 by log 4. Okay, here by log 4 log 4. Okay, now as you can see, if you simplify this, we're going to have x is equal to, this is log 5 divided by log 4 plus, if you simplify here, this is 1 plus, now this can be expressed as 2 log 4 divided by log 4. Okay, now if you simplify again here, we'll have 2. Okay, so in other ones, we have x is equal to 1 plus 2, this is 3 plus log 5 divided by log 4. Okay, log 5 divided by log 4, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which can be expressed as log a to base b. Okay, so let's apply this property. We are going to have x is equal to 3 plus log 5 to base 4. Now this is the value of x. Okay, this is our value of x. So let's verify if this value of x satisfies the equation. Okay, now as you can recall, we end that 4 raised to power x minus 2. This is equal to 20. Okay, So if we substitute the value of x, subtract 2, we are supposed to get 20. So let's substitute. We have 4 raised to power 3 plus log 5 to base 4, subtract 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 20. Okay? From here, you find that 4 raised to power 3 plus log 5 to base 4. This is in the form of a raised to power n plus m, which we can express as a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m. Okay? So let's transform it in this form. So we are saying that, as you can see, we have 4 raised to power 3 plus log 5 to base 4, subtract 2. We are saying that this is in the form of a raised to power n plus m, which you can transform to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power m. Now from here, this is 3 subtract 2. We are going to have 4 raised to power 1 plus log 5 to base 4. This is supposed to give us a total of 20. Okay? Now, as you can see, we can transform this 4 raised to power 1 plus log 5 to base 4 in this form. Okay? So that we're going to have 4 raised to power 1 multiplied by 4 raised to power log 5 to base 4. This again is supposed to give us a value of 20. Okay? Now, 4 raised to power log 5 to base 4. This is in the form of m raised to power log n to base m. Okay? So, essentially, if you have m raised to power log n to base m, this is supposed to give us a value of n. Okay? Now, applying this property, we are going to have 4 raised to power log 5 to base 4. This is supposed to give us a value of 5. Okay? So let's substitute this 5 back to our equation. We're going to have 4 multiplied by 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 20. Okay? So if you say 4 times 5, this is equal to 20. Okay? Which is equal to 20. So that means that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Okay? And that shows that the value of x, okay, that confirms that the value of x, which is x is equal to 3 plus log 5 to base 4, satisfies the equation. So thank you for watching and kindly subscribe.